One bright morning, a bird was sitting on her nest, her eggs all warm and safe. Suddenly, a snake slithing quickly through the grass. It saw one of the eggs and hissed, "Today is my lucky day." But the bird wasn't about to let that happen. She watched the snake carefully, thinking and planning. The snake crept closer, stretching its neck towards the eggs, ready to strike. Just in time, the bird swam down, flapping her wings and making noise. As the snake moved closer, the bird dropped a stick near the snake, distracting it. The bird used that moment to grab the egg and hide it safely in some nearby leaves. The snake looked frustrated and defeated, slithing away. The bird perched back on her branch, calm and proud, thinking, "Sometimes brain wins the day."